Respected viewers, I'm Shahnaz, and we, the students of Group 8 of Alameen Medical College, present to you a presentation on the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. Vaccine trials around the world in India by Samina. Scenario at world, country, and state level by Samia. Pathophysiology of the virus by Samreen. History of coronavirus by Sanat. Presentation preparation by Shabir. Voiceover by Shahnaz. Presentation preparation by Saud. Symptoms and tests by Shama. Pathophysiology by Sharda. History of coronavirus by Sharan. Prevention and control by Shireen. Role of different corona warriors by Shivanand. Prevention and control by Shreya. Presentation preparation by Sohil. Symptoms and tests by Subia. Coronaviruses are a large group of RNA related viruses that cause illness in humans and animals. Rarely, animal coronaviruses can evolve and infect humans and spread between people, such as been seen with MERS and SARS previously and the COVID 19 pandemic presently. In humans, these viruses cause respiratory tract infections that can range from mild to lethal. History of coronaviruses. Animal coronaviruses were first discovered in the 1930s, and the first human coronaviruses were discovered in the 1960s. The term coronavirus was coined in 1968 based on how, under an electron microscope, its ground like surface resembled the sun's outer layer called the corona. Despite the intense scrutiny that coronaviruses have undergone since SARS, it's still not altogether clear why three coronaviruses, SARS, MERS, and COVID 19, have led to far more severe symptoms and a higher mortality rate, while the other four known human coronaviruses remain much milder. COVID 19 made the jump to humans at one of Wuhan's open air wet markets, where customers buy fresh meat and fish in China. Scenario at world, country, and state level. Scenario at World. On March 11, 2020, WHO declared the rapidly spreading coronavirus a pandemic, acknowledging that this strain of virus will most likely spread to all the countries around the world. Globally, as of August 1st, 2020, there have been over 17 million confirmed cases and over 6 lakh deaths. Scenario in India. The first case of COVID 19 was detected on January 30th, 2020. Largest concentration of COVID 19 cases were detected in metropolitan cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, and Chennai. The government initiated a prolonged 8-week lockdown on March 24th, almost 2 months later after the detection of the first case. Globally, India is the third most impacted country by COVID 19. The recovery rates are 60% and the death rate is relatively lower than other countries. As of August 1st, 2020, India has over 17 lakh confirmed cases and over 37,000 deaths. Scenario at state level. As of August 1st, 2020, the state of Karnataka has a total of over 1 lakh confirmed cases and over 2,000 deaths. Healthcare posters, banners, advertisements, and COVID 19 helpline numbers are being circulated throughout the state for raising awareness of the spreading pandemic. Pathophysiology of coronavirus. Coronaviruses are enveloped viruses with a positive sense single stranded RNA genome and helical symmetry. Replication of coronavirus begins with the entry to the cell takes place in the cytoplasm in a membrane protected microenvironment. Upon entry to the cell, the virus particle is uncoated and the RNA genome is deposited into the cytoplasm. The coronavirus genome RNA is much similar to that of the host. This allows the RNA to attach to ribosomes for translation. They are transmitted by aerosols of respiratory secretions, by the fecal oral route, and by mechanical transmission. The incubation period is from 2 to 14 days. Human to human transmission is possible during the presence of infectious droplets, which can cause infection via inhalation or through contaminated surfaces. Coronaviruses primarily infect the upper respiratory gastrointestinal tract of mammals and birds. In humans, they cause respiratory infections, enteric infections, and rarely neurological syndromes. Symptoms and tests. Common symptoms of coronavirus include high fever, dry cough, aches and pains, sore throat, etc. These may occur between 2 to 14 days after exposure to the virus. Certain unusual symptoms include loss of appetite, nausea, vomiting, appearance of itchy lesions on hands and feet, confusion, eye problems such as swollen eyelids, excessive watering, and loss of smell or taste. Tests for COVID 19 include molecular test, antibody test, and antigen test. The molecular test and antigen test require a nasal swab, whereas the antibody test requires the withdrawal of blood. Vaccine trials around the world and India. There are more than 100 vaccines in preclinical development by pharmaceutical companies, government agencies, etc. More than 70 of these are being tracked by the World Health Organization. One of these has been approved for limited use by the Chinese military. The vaccine production process includes research, preclinical preparation, clinical trials, approval, manufacturing, and distribution, all of which would normally take 8 to 15 years. But the target for COVID 19 vaccine has been reduced to 12 to 18 months. Trials in India. There are two Indian vaccine candidates that have undergone successful toxicity in studies in rats, mice, and rabbits. Prevention and control. Few steps to prevent and control infection are washing your hands frequently, coughing and sneezing in your elbow, disposing of used tissues immediately, avoiding contact with others, avoiding crowds and public gatherings, avoiding touching your face, practicing social distancing, cleaning all shared surfaces frequently, avoiding all non essential travel, isolating yourself if sick or if at risk of complication, working from home, and wearing a mask. Here are the 7 steps to properly wash your hands. Social distancing is one of the most important measures in reducing the spread of coronavirus, and so almost 75% infection can be reduced by maintaining social distancing of around 1 meter. Areas that are touched frequently should be cleaned at least twice a day. Role of different corona warriors. Doctors, nurses, and healthcare workers are risking the medical health for us. As they treat coronavirus patients, healthcare workers report high rates of anxiety and depression. They have to expose themselves to risk and are separating themselves from their families for weeks. Police officers as well play a key role in prevention of the spread as they make sure that the public follows the lockdown rules. Other workers, such as delivery services and cleaners, also play an important role in preventing the spread of the virus as they help us stay home. Violence against COVID warriors. Several health workers have been attacked in India. It is shameful on the part of the people who are least bothered to recognize the efforts of these heroes. During these tough times, everyone is going through a lot of problems and it can be difficult. Whoever is reading this and whatever problem you're going through, we want to remind you to keep going and don't give up. It's okay to be scared. Communicating with people around you does help. We want you to know that you are not alone and we are all in this together. I would like to thank Dr. Swati ma'am and the physiology department for giving us this opportunity to present this presentation on the coronavirus pandemic, which helped us learn a lot. And I would also like to thank every member of this group who helped us complete this presentation. Thank you.